Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to my channel. This reading is for zodiac Capricorn. Hi Capricorns. So in case you are a sun, moon, ascendant of Capricorn, this reading will fit you the most. And if you're seeing it in and around December, this will fit you the most. Otherwise, my readings are always timeless. I believe in timeless. I believe in being in that divine energy. Hence, I believe in the divine timing. So whenever it finds you, it is for you. Okay, guys. Capricorn, I see the step that you have taken towards your goal is seen and appreciated. So don't worry about that. I think you have been taking some slow and steady steps towards your goals, towards your journey, towards your milestones. I see that the divine has seen it and appreciated it, and probably most of you are aware of it. So that's a good effort there, guys. I see you guys moving yourself from that doesn't belong to you. If there's something that doesn't belong to you, it's not good for you. For a long period of time, we don't move away from it because we are so much attached to it. But I see that you have already discovered that part and are moving away from it. So, wow, that's really incredible. That takes a lot of courage to do that. And you are doing it happily. You're not doing it like shedding tears or being unhappy about it. I feel like you're already aware of it, that this is for your own good and you're doing it well. So congrats, guys. That's incredible. Not many of us could do that. Anyways, I also feel that most of you are required to let go of unrealistic goals, visions, or bad habits. So now this can trigger some of you, and it will only trigger you when you're aware of it. Okay, so if you have some unrealistic goals, unrealistic vision, some bad habits, please get rid of it, because you will be appreciated. You will never be left alone in that process. Once you make that effort, the divine makes added efforts over there. So you have to please make a few efforts over there yourself. Okay, I feel some of you have done a lot of inner work, healing, and shadow work. Congrats, guys. I have gone through a lot of healing myself, so I understand what it is like. It's not a very easy process, but the result, the outcome is really incredibly beautiful, right? So I see most of you have done that. So congrats. You are being washed and have divine support. Okay, guys? So don't worry about that. The divine is actually rooting for you. I see for most of you, the divine is rooting for you, and it could be your own guardian angels and archangels. So you should be thankful to them. I see your angels are making a place for you where you fit the most. Career or personal choices. So, if you have been very unhappy with your career front, like you have not been into offices or into jobs where you are supposed to be, you are getting it. In case you have been having constant failures in your relationships, in general, I'm talking about, not necessarily the love relationship. It could be friendship or with parents, with siblings, neighbors, colleagues, anybody. If you have been constantly failing, I see that you are now getting with people who deserve you, and those people are added in your life whom you deserve. So I see now the fitment happening, the alignment happening in your life, both career and personal life, like both are getting balanced that ways. So don't worry. Now you're getting what's suitable for you, guys. I feel most of you were running around. Like I said, you have been experimenting with people, with jobs. You have been experiencing bad bosses or bad colleagues or bad jobs in general, bad relationships. I feel that fitment now. You're coming out of that whole running around the world in this circus. Now you're finding your own tribe basically. Okay, so don't worry about that. All your trial and error methods have been rewarded. Now you're finally coming to that optimal end process that you're supposed to be in as a human. But it's finally time to have your place. I mean, when I say that, but it's finally time to have your place, is like you are also supposed to claim it, guys. Claim it that you deserve this. Claim it. Ask the universe. Have that confidence in your voice. Okay? Divine is with you. I see some of you have been chanting Om. There is a Om symbol right on your screen. So I chant a lot of Om. So I feel like some of you have been chanting Om or practicing meditation. Well, that's really incredible that you have been doing it. For most of you, I see you're a loyal devotees of Lord Shiva. He's watching you. He has your back, guys. Most of you are self-made people. So my self-made squad, kindly please comment below. I want to know who these guys are. Capricorns, I see most of you have been lone survivors. Now the year is ending. Trust me, like I said, you will meet your tribe, you will meet your squad, both work-wise, work-wise and personal life-wise. You are getting it. You are no more that lone survivor. I also see most of you have been spending your but you like to spend a lot of alone time. And it actually works for you. The alone time really works for you. So, you should not feel sorry about it. You should not feel that you're left alone. Actually, that alone time is good for you. I feel like you do something productive out of it. And if you're not doing it, the guides are asking me to suggest you to make the most of your alone time. You are some creative, crazy people, and you can do something incredible out of your alone time. So do that. I love my alone time. So I understand how much you must be liking it and how much the best you can make out of it. So guys, focus on that. Okay, don't worry about that part that you're alone or something like that. Make the most of it. I also see in December most of you will be enjoying fruits of your patience and labor. I see a lot of patience in this pile. I mean, my forever being patient squad, please comment below. I want to know who these guys are, because I see a lot of people here watching this video, working hard and being very patient. And trust me, it's going to bear a lot of fruits. So don't worry about that. I also feel Capricorn in December, when by the time the December ends, we also realize the whole year also ended, right? I feel like you will claim it's your turn now. I mean, you can literally say that there will be situations, there will be opportunities, there will be people around you. Then you will feel like, now it's my turn. I have had enough. I have lived a cellular life. I have been experimenting a lot, but now it's my turn. Your wishes are getting fulfilled. I got this message at the very end, and a very beautiful one, that your wishes are getting fulfilled. What else do you need? I mean, if you have been working towards your wishes are going to be fulfilled in December, guys. Congrats. A quick advice, Capricorn: keep your mind, emotions and intellect as pure as possible, because you will get prosperity and power. So I have a feeling that you have been anyway working on yourself. Just keep your mind, emotions and intelligence and intellect, your brain as pure as possible, because you are headed towards power and prosperity, guys. Okay. So, yeah, that's all about it from my side. From the most accurate form of reading, you should go through your all three signs like ascendant, sun, moon, and I'll see you around again. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.